Do your progress updates at work in team meetings sound like, yep, it's done, I did the report, or yep, it's done, I did the assignment, yep, it's completed, nothing to worry about? You need to change that. Reason why is because when you are in a team meeting and you're giving a progress update, that is an opportunity for you to showcase your value, to showcase and demonstrate how good of a job you did at that thing that you were supposed to work on, and saying you did it, it's done, it's complete. You're making it sound insignificant. You're making it sound not important, and you're making yourself forgettable. So instead, I highly recommend you use the CCCI framework when giving progress updates. First C stands for context. You want to set the stage. You want to talk about what was the challenge, what was the situation when it came to that particular report or assignment that you were working on. You could say over the past 2 weeks, the main goal was to complete this ABC report, and it was to ensure that blah, blah, blah goal would be achieved. If there was a challenge, you also want to include what the challenge was. In this situation, we did run into a little bit of an issue, and just talk about it. Second C is contribution. Now talk about you and what you did to overcome that challenge, or how you went about reaching that goal. For example, you could say, I collaborated with John from the engineering team to fix some of these errors, and together we were able to streamline the report. I don't know, I just made that up, but something along those lines. What did you do? What was your contribution? Then comes the first of the 2 I's, which is impact. What was the impact? What did it result in? So you could say something like, as a result, we just saw a 25% increase in engagement as a result of implementing the new reporting format. Finally, the 4th step, insight. What insight can you give? What is the recommendation, the solution that you have from this experience? For example, you could share something like, our key insight from this was that, or our recommendation moving forward would be, or the opportunity that we see here from this point onward would be, whatever it is. But now you're sharing your insight for the future. What have you gained from doing this task that you can now bring forward and bring as a recommendation for the future? If you want more tips like this, follow me and be on the wait list for my Quiet to Confident program if you are wanting to improve your communication at work.